So we're gonna put in these angles. Out-of-box trailer needs some welding. Making it happen. Еще? Так будет нормально? Все. Ну все, работа закончена. The job is done. Look at this parts bin. This is what a work truck has. Look, he's got a battery mount. You got the axle hub spline lock nut. You got, what is that? 5/16 bolt with a giant washer. You need a nut and a bolt there. He has that too. You need a long nut with the weird top on it. He's got that. You need a big giant bolt. Look, don't even have to dig that far, and you get a nut with it. Все, что надо. All in this van. You need a clamp. There you go. He's got one. Your boost leaking. So this truck. Как долго ты сказал? 11 лет этот? 11 years. So yeah, he's got everything. Look at that, hammers, drills. This is how it ends. Oh, do you have a grease gun here? All right, well that's a job well done.
Yes, sir.
The Mechanic on the Spot.
That's it, right?
I want to make sure to say the name right. Look, we got the auto box behind his work van. So he'll come out. What area do you serve?
Broward.
Broward. Will you
Miami.
go to West Palm Beach?
Yeah, Miami and West Palm as well.
Naples, maybe not. If you
It'll be
pay ahead of
expensive
time.
run. Yeah, exactly.
What's the craziest job you've done? The most
Engine swap.
engine swap. Someone's called and says my engine crapped out.
Of course. Take a look at the website. You'll see some pictures. Engine
got a
transmission
website?
swap. Yeah.
That's the website, mechaniconthespot.com.
Yeah.
So if you're in Miami or planning to be in Miami, or you come down here often and you need something little or medium, this guy could do it. He could even do the big stuff like the engine, but preferably not. Preferably something simple like today, weld up, smash and grab job, and out of here and back on the road, right?
That's it.
All right, thanks for coming out. High five,
Thank you.
fist bump.